All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about inner glow. So let's go to our layer 0 here. Click on the FX icon, and we're going to use, instead of doing the layers this time and turning it off here, we're actually going to turn it off here, here, and here. Okay. So you can do it two ways. You can do it with inside of layer style or on the layer panel itself. Okay, so now I'm going to go to inner shadow. Oh, my bad. Inner glow. And they have the blend mode set at screen, so that's fine. We'll leave it there. They have it on yellow, so let's turn that up a little bit. And let's add a little choke and a little size. And see what that does. Okay, so you can see that that's the blend mode is screen. Now if I do normal, then it should give me a little more. There we go. Okay, there you go. So now we got like a really wild looking inner glow. The quality, we can mess with the range. Okay, and then the jitter. And the contour, so you can map kind of the, I like that, that's kind of cool. Gives you kind of a custom feel to it. Okay, so that's basically inner glow. Now, here's one more thing to talk about with inner glow. We can also do gradients. So if we wanted to, that's really cool actually. We could grab a default gradient or make our own and slap those in here and really customize this to our liking. So for example, that one I like. This one's really cool too. So I'm going to hit OK and I'm going to save that. And let's make that a new style. So let's call this cool gradient. I'm going to hit OK. And there you go. That's how you add inner glow. So I'm going to add all the other effects now. And you can see our inner glow has been completely washed out by the other effects, which is all right because we're just learning. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.